So last class we talking about the logic control, right? About the control structure, the loop, control flow, and the function. So today we going. Next topic is about operator and the street. Okay. So first we are talking about chapter 8, the operator. So about the operator, we are sorting by following types like this arithmetic operators and relational operators and logical operators and this unary operator. Okay. So first we are talking about this arithmetic. So following list all arithmetic supported by Lua script, like this plus and this subtraction, and this is multiplication, and this is the slash sign is the division, and this percentage sign is the modules, and this one is the exponent, and this is also same sign to this one, but only one operator number, so it is negative sign. Okay. So for example here, assume variable is A is 10 and B is 20, right? So the example like following. So plus will be 30 and minus will be minus 10, and this multiplication is 200. So I will type into this division. Module. And the exponent and minus. negative. So compile. So this is the result, right? Just send to the example we show here. So this is the first part about this arithmetic operator, and then the second is the relational operator. So it's sent to the first part. We also assume two variables. Okay, one a is 10 and b is 20. So this operator is equal, right? So because a is not equal to b, so the first one is return false, and the second one is the not equal sign. So its result will be return the truth, and the third one is the greater sign. So because a is smaller than b, then it returns false. The fourth one is similar to the previous, so it is the less than the b, so it is return truth. So the next one is the greater or equal. So because the a is not true, right? So it's return false. So this part is relational operator is very simple. So we just go through it. So the third part is about logical operators. We have three logical operator, and first one is logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. So A and B is because both operands are not zero, then condition will become true, right? So because A is true, B is false, but their end result will be false. Okay. So next one, OR is A or B. A or B is just need one of them is not zero, then will become true. So A or B is it will return the true, and not it means we reverse the result. So because A and B is false, right? So it reverse one time, so will become the truth. So the fourth one is about concatenation, right? So this concatenation is for add the two strings together. So so like this A add up with B. So if A is the hello and B is world, so it will return the hello world. So just send to this dot, this site. Okay. So for example, so we will see these two results will be same. Run the offline simulator. So this is the hello world, right? But this site will be how to say that? This dot site will be tab will be space on the string. Okay. So we still a little difference. So the last unary operator is to calculate the string length or table length. So last class I also mentioned these operators. Okay. So for example, here I print A. So this hello will be returned fine, right? So here is the result. So anything, any question for this operators chapter? If not, we are moving on the next chapter, string. So this string is has the usual meaning, right? A sequence of chapters. So it can be consist of numbers, letters, and underscores. So the strings can be expressed by following three formats, which include the single quote, and the B is the double quote, and the last one is the double square brackets. Okay, so because so let me show. So because the double this square brackets will be conflict with this multi-line comments, so I didn't directly type on here. Okay. So offline. So we will see these three types all can normally print out the string result, right? This is the Lua and this tutorial, and then the third is print out the Lua tutorial. So this is the how to express one string. Okay. So the second is about the escape sequence character. So sometimes we will need the string itself to print codes. So at this moment we need to escape those codes with this escape sequence characters. So it is necessary. So on the following is list all the escape sequence characters. So like this is backspace, the slash f is the new page, slash n is the new line, and slash r is the carriage return. So I will show some. So for example, here so if I return so this one will hello and return, and will be second line to show the wall. Okay. Seems like it didn't work out. Slash r slash n. So it's just like this, right? So if like this, we want to print out like this double quote site, we will need this slash with quote, and you can print out the double quote. For example, here. Compile and so see this one you can normally print out this double quote site. Okay, so it's the second part, the escape sequence character. So the third one is about string manipulation. Sorry. So we have this. So this is method to manipulate the string. So like this, the first one is to return the uppercase result of argument. And the second is return the lowercase. Okay. So I will show. So for example, here I street. So here I all lowercase, okay. Then I print out this. So you can see here we output the all uppercase result. So this one is G sub is to return the string by replacing the find string with the replacing string. So let me show you how it works. For example, here is the main string is 4a, right? So I will replace the a with z and 3 times. So it will be result will be like three z and 1 a. Sorry, I forget to print it out. So it generally will return 2 results. Okay, one is the first is the result, and the second one is this value. Okay, 3 times. Replace times. and the next one is the find. Find is the return the initial index and end index of find string in the main string. Okay. So same, I will try to print one to show how it works. So this one means I will find the first Lua when he appearance, right? So it will return two index. So it began from 9 and end with it began with 7 and end with 9. So here we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 and 9. Okay. So the next one we demonstrate this reverse. Okay, reverse just reverse the character. Okay, so for example, we print the reverse the hello. So we will see all character is reversed, right? So will be like O L L E H. So the next one is the format the string. So from this one we will involve one concept, the regular expression. So let me show you what it is. So sometimes we need to match the multiple character, right, on the string. So we will need this pattern matching to recognize the string. So for example, like this percentage with A and means the match with A to Z, right? So here percentage with this C means control character, and this one percentage D is the digitals. Okay. So I will show you how we use. For example, I want to print the So it is percentage D, right? So it can accept the digital values. So we can use this one for accept this 4 number. So I compiled and run offline. So see, we will print out this the value is 4. So same for for example then here I so my name is %s, right? And we put this one and my, for example, percentage D and so I can put multiple arguments into this string format. Okay, so because it is this unknown numbers argument signed. Okay. Then offline simulator. So here we can see it will output my name is Jack and I am 20 years old. Okay. So this is string format to format it the street. And the next one is the chart to return the character value of input number. And this byte is to return the mnemonic value of input character. Okay. So both they are reverse, can reverse to each other. So this one will be output the ABCD, because this is the ASCII code value of ABCD. Okay. See? And here is the same to the so we will see it returns 68, which is the this ASCII key value. So for example, I can here for example 60, 67, 60, 665. So this one will return ASCII code value. Okay. So see, it will return 65, which is the ASCII code value, and the next one will be demonstrate the Gmatch. Gmatch will return the pattern find iterator. Okay, this iterator will be searched through the string path to looking for the pattern you passed. So for example, here this one hello Lua user, so it should output So we'll see it will return hello, and the second line is Lua and user. So why it will print like this? So we return this here. So percentage A is represent the A to Z, right? And then the plus this plus means the one or more repetition. Sorry. So so if this if there will be one or more matched character in the sequence, so he will return the longest one. So because here is the space character, right? So he judge on here, so he will end the first loop. So and he match to the second space character, then it end two times loop. Okay, so here we the result will be output 3 times. So here is the Gmatch. So next one, the last one we demonstrate the string sub. Okay. For example, here we so this I means the start index. So for example, here I assign to the 4. Okay. So its output string will be like DEF. Okay. So this here is about street. Okay. Anything question about this part? So if not we so let us to review the last class homework. Okay. The first question is about how to print out this multiplication table. So here we here we need to use the nested loop. So I9 J So thanks for your watching. See you next time.